Hi, in this video we are going to see printing processor in HP Envy 5000 all-in-one series printer. So let's see. So there are various ways to print documents or photos in HP Envy 5000 printer. So let's see one by one. First one will be print using HP Smart App. You can see on the screen. This section provides basic instruction for using the HP Smart App to print from your Android, iOS or Windows 10 devices. For more detail, you can see iOS or Android device. You can click on this link which is available on the screen, and for Windows device you can click on this link. Now we'll see to print from a Windows 10 device. We need to follow these steps which is available on the screen. There are total 7 steps. In this way you can print using Windows 10 device. Now let's move to the next screen, which is to print from an Android iOS device. You need to follow these steps which is available. Total 5 steps are there. You can refer the screen for more information. Now we'll see in the next procedure to print documents using HP printer software. To print documents in Windows devices, you need to follow these steps which is available on the screen. There are total 5 steps available to print documents in Windows 10 device. So you can follow the same. The next procedure is that print photos using HP printer software. You can print a photo from your computer. Here some important note and tip is available to print photos. To print a photo from computer in Windows device, you need to follow total 7 steps are there on the screen. For more detail you can read the screen. Now we will see to print on envelopes. Here some important instructions or characteristics is available, like avoid envelopes with the following characteristics: very slick finish and self-stick adhesives, collapse or windows, thick irregular or curled edges, areas that are winked, torn or otherwise damaged. Make sure folds of envelopes you load in the printer are sharply creased. Important note, you can read it. Now we'll see to print envelopes in Windows device. Total 7 steps are there. You can follow the same. Now we will see to print on both sides, duplexing. To print on both sides of the paper in Windows device, you need to follow total 7 steps. After following, you can print on both sides of the paper in Windows devices. Now let's move to the next step, which is to print on both sides of the paper, operating system X and Mac OS. There are 3 steps available for the same. You can see on the screen. Now we will see next procedure, which is print using the maximum DPI. Here DPI stands for dots per inch. Use maximum dots per inch DPI mode to print high quality sharp images on photo paper. Printing in maximum DPI takes longer than printing with other settings and requires a large amount of disk space. To print in maximum DPI mode in Windows device, there are various steps available. First, from your software select print. Second, make sure your printer is selected. And third, click on button that open the properties dialog box. It is also known as these names. You can refer on the screen. And the last step, to select the appropriate option. In Windows 10, Windows 8.1 and Windows 8, you can follow these steps. Now let's move to the last procedure, which is tips for successful printing. Software setting selected in the printer driver only apply to printing. They don't apply to copying or scanning. So you can print your document on both sides of the paper, and ink tips is available on the screen. That's all in this video. If you want any help related to printer, click on the support link which is available in video description for any help.